When your tile and grout floors become dirty or stained, it creates an unpleasant and possibly even unhealthy living or working environment that can reflect poorly on you or your business. Routine cleaning partially eliminates surface dirt and grit, but can't reach deep down into tiny pores, textures, and crevices where dirt, mold, mildew, and bacteria accumulate. With foot traffic, heavy substances like sticky spills, food, oils from parking lots, and other contaminants get ground in deeper and deeper into the porosity of the grout, providing a perfect breeding place for bacteria to multiply. Sweeping, mopping, and scrubbing may only drive these unwanted substances in further, leaving you with floors that can only become truly clean with professional attention. As dedicated, experienced hard surface experts, we don't spread dirt around. We extract it and achieve a powerful level of cleaning that is simply not possible with regular cleaning methods. We use the highest quality biodegradable detergents and specialized equipment designed specifically to clean your floors, shower walls, and more, including the roughest, most uneven hard surfaces. We can adjust the heat and pressure to safely achieve the maximum results, removing ground-in dirt and killing germs and bacteria. Our cleaning processes are extremely effective, yet non-abrasive. That means you don't have to worry about damage to your tile. Once your floors are thoroughly cleaned, we can seal your grout lines to inhibit staining. Are you concerned about when these services can be performed? No worries. We accommodate your schedule. As professionals accustomed to working in hotels, retail and office buildings, as well as private residences, we are always mindful to minimize inconvenience to your family, guests, or patrons. Contact us today to schedule tile and grout deep cleaning services for your home or business.